Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need two things before proceeding: Chrome updated and the uTorrent desktop app installed. This extension talks to that client. First, open Chrome and go to Chrome//extensions, then turn on developer mode so you can load an unpacked extension. Once done, locate the extension folder from the uTorrent installation. Make sure the manifest JSON is present. Without it, Chrome can't load the extension. You're setting up a local bridge between browser and client, which is why the desktop app is required. Now load the extension. Click Load Unpacked in the Extensions page and select the folder that contains the uTorrent extension files. You'll see permission prompts: accept only what's necessary. These let the extension communicate with the client and manage downloads. Once loaded, pin the extension to the toolbar for quick access and open its options to set default download directories or port settings to match your uTorrent client. Make sure the extension shows as enabled, otherwise it won't intercept torrent links. Finish by testing a magnet or torrent link. When you click one, choose the uTorrent extension as the handler so Chrome forwards the link to the desktop client. If the client doesn't receive the link, check that uTorrent's web UI or remote control is enabled and that ports match between apps. Mismatched ports block the handshake. If problems persist, restart Chrome and uTorrent, then reload the unpacked extension. That often clears permission or connection glitches and restores the browser-to-client communication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.